So guys, this is coming from the APC governorship candidate of Anambra State. He actually said that he has been the godfather of Anambra. Now he's stepping down as a godfather to actually contest. He said nobody has won election in Anambra without his support. Now, he won the primaries in the state, and yes, we believe very well that the election coming November 8th is going to be a fair play. Watch this video.
The whole party is going to fall behind that person in total support to make sure that he wins the election. We had Honorable Dozier Madu, who scored 8 votes. Please, I've said no victor, no vanquish, so we will clap for all the contestants. Honorable Minister. We have Honorable John Bosco Obina, who scored 26 votes. We have Honorable Valytino Ozigbo, who scored 67 votes. We have Prince Nicholas Nwachukwu, who scored 1,455 votes. With the powers conferred on me as the chairman of this primaries and the chief returning officer, I hereby declare Prince Nicholas Chukwujeku Ukachukwu, who have scored a total number of 1,455 votes, the winner of this particular primary.
Let me begin by thanking the president of this country, Nigeria, Commander-in-Chief, Bola Ahmed Tinubu Jagaba, for the first time giving us a platform to contest primaries and be heard, and then we hear other people. It's unprecedented. It has never happened before. They didn't show any interest or favoritism to any candidate, to any aspirant. I want to thank him, and now I want to plead with you, Your Excellency, to thank him on behalf of Anambra State. He has given us the beginning of the journey to bring Anambra back to the mainstream of Nigerian politics. I also want to thank the national chairman and all the members of the working committee for this privilege of giving us a near free and fair and good, wonderful primaries without interference. It has never happened before. Convey our gratitude to the working committee for this awesome privilege given to APC in Anambra State. I want to thank you, Your Excellency, more especially. It's not easy for a governor to leave his state, not just one night, but 2 days in another state, just for the sake of trying to do us, the Anambra people, a great favor in order to make us realize that we need to come back. And all the members of your committees that serve in different departments or compartments, I want to thank you for the sacrifices we have made. My God will reward you in the name of Jesus. And to my brothers that have run with me, you are all wonderful. The Kabbalah leader, the Englishman, the VAR himself. All of you are winners. No one is celebrating winning anybody, because this is not the journey, but the beginning of the journey itself. We need to come together. We need to win. All of us knows very well that there's nothing better than us winning the seat of governors of Anambra State. Not because of us, but bringing Anambra to mainstream will bring a lot of things that flow down to the grassroots. Today, you have given me your mandate to embark on that task, but I cannot do it without you. I need all your support. I need all your prayers. We have to work hard as a sitting governor. But yes, listen, there's something that's very remarkable Before now, the governor said there was no APC in Anambra State. Today he said there are APC exists in Anambra State. I want to say categorically clear that with God on our side, with all your support and cooperation of my co-aspirants, we shall deliver Anambra to APC. One thing I want to say here, nobody has won governorship of Anambra State without my support. It has never happened before. I've been playing godfatherism, but now I want to be the father of the father. No more godfather. I won't say much. I don't want to talk like somebody who has won the war. I want to talk like somebody who is preparing to go for the war. The preparation of the battle is for the human beings, but victory comes from God. Let's close rank together. Let's work hard. Let's pray hard and deliver Anambra to APC, so that actually to complement the effort of His Excellency the Governor and all the people that have come to waste their time and effort to be here till now. I want to thank the ANEC people. I want to thank the police, the security, the press, and wonderful delegates that stayed this long. When I see some of them passing, I wonder what kind of contribution they have made tonight. You are all wonderful, and you are the winners of these primaries. Thank you for the trust and confidence. One promise I'm making to you is that I will not let you down. God bless you, and good night and Johnny Mercy.
Thank you very much. Before the music, let me cap it up once more.
Alright guys, for those of you who don't know, on the 8th of November is the governorship election for Anambra State. And now, here are the candidates. The major political parties in Anambra State have concluded their primaries except PDP. Here are the confirmed flag bearers so far. Governor Charles Soludo, Abga; Prince Nwachukwu, APC; Chief George Moghalu, Labour Party. Now, the PDP primaries for the state were supposed to be on the 5th of April, but it has been extended to the 8th of April. And the election so far, a lot of people were thinking that this election will have, although the candidates are actually proactive in the state, and I want to ask a lot of you, do you believe that Governor Soludo is still going to maintain this second tenure and become the executive governor of Anambra State, or he's going to be kicked out of office? Now, this man here said that he has been the political godfather in Anambra State for a long time, and you guys heard him from there. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video, guys.